everybody? It's your girl Vaughn, and I'm back once again with another video. Today's video is going to be all about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to be a successful YouTuber, and everything about YouTube. If you are new to this channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you can know every time that I post videos. So if you're ready for some tips and tricks on how to be a successful YouTuber, let's just get right into the video. So I do not have 1 million subscribers. I do not have 1,000 subscribers. I do not have 500 subscribers. Currently, I think I have like 460 subscribers. But these are just my tips and tricks of how to gain subscribers, how to be a YouTuber, and everything that I've done. So let's just start off with some of the basics. So you make sure you start a YouTube channel because you want to do YouTube, because you love YouTube, because you love creating videos, you love sharing your content with other people, and love engaging with subscribers. You never want to start a YouTube channel because you get paid off of it, or because your friend is doing it, or yada yada yada. You want to just make sure you do a YouTube channel because it's something that you want to be doing on your own. So with YouTube, everyone knows you get paid off YouTube, right? Okay, so let's start off by saying you don't get paid off YouTube until you meet the requirements. So the requirements are 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 watch hours, and 4,000 minutes, I think, of like content. I think that's what it is. But until you reach those thresholds, you will not start getting paid off YouTube. Also, don't start a YouTube channel all because you want to be famous or because one of your family or your friends is doing YouTube. Because what people don't realize is YouTube has its pros, but it also has its cons. And what I mean by cons is people will leave negative comments in front of your videos. People will be haters. People will be just doing all types of stuff that can bring your self-esteem down, and it will make you stop wanting to be a YouTube. So if you love it and if you're passionate about it, that is what's going to carry you over those negative comments. That's what's going to keep you pushing and keep you motivated to continue to make YouTube videos. Next, let's talk about equipment. Of course, you're going to need a camera. You're going to need something to film with and take the YouTube video with, but you do not always have to go out and pay for an expensive camera. I do not have an expensive camera right now. You're looking at me doing my YouTube video off of my iPhone 7 Plus. I would say that you would need at least an iPhone if you're going to start a YouTube channel, because with Androids, the camera, like the lighting, just the quality of your video will not be too crisp the way that you want to see it. So make sure that you have a camera that's going to have good quality. You can always upload your video in HD, or it's like 1080 HP, something like that. I'll put it in the description box once I figure out exactly what it is. But when you're uploading your videos, there's a quality number that you can upload your video, and that is what's going to make your video look crisp, because you want to make sure that when you're putting out content that you're not putting out crappy videos. Some people are going to want to watch things that is clear, that don't have a lot of things going on in the background, that don't have a lot of noise going on. So whatever you do, make sure that you're getting a camera that has good quality. The lighting, that is another thing I want to talk about. Right now, I am doing it with a lamp in the back of my phone and then the flash on my camera. You don't have to go buy a ring light. It would be better. I am going to eventually purchase a ring light, but as of right now, with the budget that I have, and if you are on a budget, you do not have to worry about buying a ring light. I know that a lot of YouTubers put that out there, that you need a ring light to be able to have good quality content, but you don't. Just make sure that you find a lamp, and of course take the little, what is it called, like the covering that's on top of the lamp. Of course, take that off so you can have the full brightness, and use the back of your camera. So with my iPhone, I have it flipped. I used to record my videos with using the front camera, but I started to notice that like the quality was horrible. And then when I discovered using my back camera, and that it gave me extra lighting because of the flash from the like the camera, I noticed that my videos come out looking so much better. The best thing that I can suggest that you do if you do not have a lamp, or if you don't have a ring light, or like the big studio lights that everyone likes to purchase, is natural lighting. All you have to do is get your iPhone or your camera, put it in front of the window, and that natural lighting from the sun is what's gonna brighten up your videos and make you have like good quality videos. If you guys don't know, I use iMovie and I use Final Cut Pro to edit my videos. The great thing about iMovie is that it doesn't cost, it automatically comes on all iPhones as an app. You can do editing on there, so you can do like you're adding the music, you can do words, you can do animations, everything that you would possibly need to do. But when you just want to step up your game, and if you have $5.99 to pay every month, you can use Final Cut Pro. It does have more advantages to it. If you guys want to see a YouTube video of me editing all of my videos, just make sure you comment down below. That way I can get that video out to you guys. And another tip for editing, make sure that you pre-watch your videos. Before I post any video, I watch it about like 4 or 5 times, honestly, and that's even after I edit the video. I'll watch about 4 to 5 times, and with that 4 to 5 times, I'll notice little things about it that I do not like. So if I'm talking about something for so long, I'll cut it, or if I take a long break, I'll cut it, or if it's something that is boring to me, I know it's going to be boring to someone else. So make sure you're putting out quality content that other people are going to want to watch. If you cannot sit through your own video, no one else is going to be able to sit through your video. So another important thing is to make sure that your profile looks professional. So something that I noticed even before I started a YouTube channel was that when I would comment up under videos, I would see other people comment. So if it was something that was funny, or if it was something that I just liked what they said, I would click on their profile picture, and then I'll notice, oh hey, they're a YouTuber also. So then I'll look through their videos. If I like what I see, I'll end up subscribing. So that is something that I took in consideration when I made my videos, when I started making my YouTube channel. So I made my professional profile picture, I made my professional banner, and then I start commenting up under other videos that I genuinely like. So I'll be like, oh hey, great video, or hey, you gave great advice, new subscriber, just something encouraging or uplifting. So then I'll notice that traffic will come to my channel. People will start saying, oh hey, new subscriber, thanks for showing love on my video, here's me showing love on yours, or something like that. So I noticed that me showing love to someone else, me showing support to someone else, they end up coming to my channel showing support to me. So the biggest thing that I want you guys to take from this video, if you haven't heard anything else that I've said, is to be yourself.
Make it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up. We can stay forever young.